What's up, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. Have you ever wanted to create amazing AI images, videos, and creative content without spending hours learning complicated software? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a look at Adobe Firefly, a powerful AI tool that helps turn simple ideas into incredible visuals in just a few clicks. So sit back, relax, and let's explore what Adobe Firefly can do. All right, let's move on to the Adobe Firefly website and see what it has to offer. Simply click on Sign In and then choose Continue with Google to create your account. As you can see, our account has now been created successfully. On the left side, there are three main tools offered by Adobe Firefly. The first is Image, which includes 5 main categories. The second is Video, which also includes 5 main categories. Finally, there is Audio, which also offers 5 main categories. And like other platforms, Firefly allows us to access all of the top AI models from a single hub, making it simple to create pretty much anything that we need. Now let's move on to the first tool, Image Generation. On the left side, you'll find the AI Models section where you can choose the model you want to use. Next, we have the Aspect Ratio option, which lets you set the dimensions of your image. Below that is the Resolution section where you can select the image quality. You can also upload a reference image to help the AI generate images with a similar style or appearance. And here is the prompt box. Simply enter your prompt, click Generate, and wait a few seconds. After processing, Adobe Firefly will generate multiple image variations based on your prompt. You can choose your favorite result and download it with a single click. Now let's move on to the next feature, Edit Image, where you can upload and modify any image using AI tools. Here is the upload area, so you have to upload your picture. On the left side, there are more features, such as the prompt area, markup, tune, fill, remove, expand, upscale, and remove background. So I choose Remove. Here is our picture, and I want to remove these people. I simply select the people and click Remove. Now you can see that it gives the perfect result I wanted, and it removes the people very well. This feature is really very useful. So let's move on to the next tool, Video Generation. Here is the video generation interface. It is almost the same as the image generation interface, with options like model, resolution, aspect ratio, frames per second, and duration. As you can see, the maximum video duration is 8 seconds. Here you can also add the first frame and last frame, along with the advanced settings. This is the prompt area. You just have to enter your prompt here and click Generate. Now the processing will begin. This is the first video we created, and as you can see, it looks really good. The quality is impressive. You can also download the video with just one click. As you can see, our video has been downloaded successfully. Now let's move on to the next tool, Audio. Here you can enhance speech. This is the interface. On the left side, you can select the file that you want to enhance. A sample file is also provided, so you can test the feature before uploading your own file. You can also upload files in bulk, but that feature requires the premium version. For most users, uploading a single file is enough. Let's check the sample file and hear the difference.
Hey, Harmony here with the Adobe Podcast team. I'm here in my backyard and we've got a little bit of street noise, some birds chirping, and even some music playing nearby. I'm Harmony here with the Adobe Podcast team. I'm here in my backyard and we've got a little bit of street noise, some birds chirping, and even some music playing nearby.
That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the main Adobe Firefly tools. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.